Apple AirPods Max, Space Gray. Special feature wireless, phone control, D-Style J. iOS phone control, foldable, lightweight, microphone feature, noise cancellation, noise isolation, sports and exercise, tangle-free cord, universal phone control, volume control, audio sharing, Siri control, transparency mode, digital crown, volume control, foldable, microphone included wireless, phone control, D-Style J, iOS phone control, foldable, lightweight, microphone feature, noise cancellation, noise isolation, sports and exercise, Tangle FR, see more. Compatible devices: cell phones, tablets, telephones, music production equipment, laptops, desktops. Brand Apple. Included components: smart case, documentation, AirPods Max, Lightning to USB-C cable style over-ear headphones. About this item. Apple-designed dynamic driver provides high-fidelity audio. Active noise cancellation blocks outside noise, so you can immerse yourself in music transparency mode for hearing and interacting with the world around you. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking provides theater-like sound that surrounds you. Computational audio combines custom acoustic design with the Apple H1 chip and software for breakthrough listening experiences. Designed with a knit mesh canopy and memory foam ear cushions for an exceptional fit. Magical experience with effortless setup, on-head detection, and seamless switching between devices. Easily share audio between two sets of AirPods on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Apple TV. 20 hours of listening, movie watching, or talk time with active noise cancellation and spatial audio enabled. Store in ultra-low power mode with the slim smart case. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.